Welcome back to Life Unveiled. In the last video, we explored the exciting world of online income generation and unveiled a variety of methods to turn your passions into profit. Today, we'll shift gears and focus on the essential steps you need to take to build a thriving online business, no matter which method you choose. Remember, building a successful online venture requires a solid foundation. Just like any business, it takes planning, dedication, and the right strategies in place. So grab your metaphorical toolbox because we're about to equip you with the key elements for online success. Building your online business from dream to reality. The first step is to find your niche. This is your area of expertise or passion, the specific topic or service you'll focus on. Having a well-defined niche allows you to attract a targeted audience and establish yourself as an authority figure in your field. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to build a strong online presence. This could involve creating a professional website or blog, establishing a presence on relevant social media platforms, and engaging with your audience. Here are some key elements for building a strong online presence. Number 1. A user-friendly website or blog. Your website is your digital storefront, so make sure it's easy to navigate and visually appealing. Invest in a clear, responsive design that looks great on all devices: desktop, mobile, tablet. Number 2. High-quality content. Consistently create valuable content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your target audience. This could be blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, or even podcasts. Focus on quality over quantity and ensure your content is well-researched, informative, and engaging. Number 3. Social media engagement. Actively participate on relevant social media platforms to connect with your audience, share your content, and build relationships. Go beyond just posting. Respond to comments and messages, participate in relevant conversations, and run polls or contests to keep your audience engaged. Number 4. Email marketing. Build an email list and nurture relationships with your subscribers by sending out regular newsletters, updates, or exclusive content. This is a powerful tool for driving traffic back to your website and promoting your offerings. Number 5. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your website and content to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This can involve keyword research, on-page optimization, and building backlinks from reputable websites. While SEO takes time and effort, it can be a powerful way to attract organic traffic. Number 6. Community building. Foster a sense of community around your brand. Create online forums, groups, or membership areas where your audience can connect with each other and feel like they belong. Don't forget the importance of promoting your business. Utilize various strategies to reach your target audience, such as search engine optimization, SEO, to improve your website's ranking in search results, and potentially consider paid advertising options if they fit your budget. Building a successful online business takes time and effort, but with the right foundation and consistent action, you can turn your dreams into a reality. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into specific monetization strategies for each of the methods we discussed previously. We'll show you how to turn your website or social media following into a profitable venture. So stay tuned and get ready to unlock the secrets of making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to Life Unveiled for more valuable insights and strategies to fuel your online business journey. Hit that like button to show us some love, and share this video with anyone who might be interested in exploring the exciting world of online business.